All right, tear down of DECH number 5. Take 1. Lewis, what are you doing?
Connect the battery.
Safety first. So who's our other help? Mr. Notorious.
How's it going?
And then the mysterious woman in the back. Anyway, so we will be stripping this car apart as far as it can go so that it can go and meet the sandblaster so we can see exactly how bad it is. Although this car looks lovely on film right now, it actually does not look as nice underneath. There's a lot of problems with this car. Rust. Car cancer. Are you guys farting?
No. The terminal was hot.
All right. Burning ourselves already. So DECH number 5, you are getting stripped apart.
It did well today.
It did very well today. The car performs well.
Lit up the tires a handful of times.
Did a couple burnouts. Throttle response is good. Has short ratio steering rack that we found out.
Excellent steering.
So it turns, it drives.
Very reliable for untested for going.
Yeah. Probably did about 120 mile round trip today, somewhere around there.
Completely untested other than our like 20-mile test the other day. That was
Absolutely.
Good. Yeah, no.
So that's it.
Very impressed.
We'll let the teardown begin. All right, so here we go, guys. It is all hands on deck after a long day at the DaSilva car show. Me and my friends are stripping this car apart and going to decide its fate. Should this car get restored, or is it just going to be parted out and the shell sent to the wreckers? So one thing that you want to keep in mind while you're watching this time lapse is you're going to see a lot of parts being thrown out on the ground there, creating little piles. You know, all of us are pulling apart various things from different places. And one really important thing that you want to remember to do when you're pulling a car apart for restoration is to bag and tag. You're going to see us here using Ziploc bags, putting all the little nuts, bolts, screws, little trim pieces, and everything that we're pulling out, and clearly labeling them on the outside of these Ziploc bags. This is really important to remember, to be organized, so that way when you're putting the car back together, you know where stuff goes. All right, what are we? We're 23 minutes in. 4 sets of hands, door panels off, rear wing is off. Tail lights, trunk is getting disassembled. We have a Recaro out. We have tail lights and a bunch of stuff laying on the floor. So we're getting there. So what did we find there, Jordan?
We have some lovely rodent remnants.
Oh my God.
Yes. Which,
Oh,
you see that mountain in there? Oh yeah, it's good stuff.
disgusting. Oh yeah, there's some on the other side right in front of Jake too.
Yeah.
That is gross. Well, it looks pretty clean in here. So here we are back stripping more stuff out of the car. Hatches are up, doors are open. Soon the hood will be up, and things are moving along pretty well here. So after a long day, I gotta say, we definitely had a lot of energy to tackle into this car. So we're starting to find some of the realities. You can see some crazy welds here, tack welds along the quarter glass. So I'm about to pop this quarter glass out of here and see exactly how bad this is. And by the way, it was only held on with half of the nuts that should have been on there. This thing is urethaned in so hard. It will not budge.
To hold your quarter glasses.
Holy. I'm gonna have to break those out of there. Uncalled for.
On the window urethane.
Oh boy. Those quarter windows.
Quarters in, so they're using butyl, which is like.
Not bad for 90 minutes. Oh yeah.
Headliner's out.
Sweet. Disastrous. Love it.
Yeah. Good job, buddy. Good job.
All right, got the quarter glass out. Could see where they were cut. Bondoed over, literally. Bondo. There's the weld seam. Funny thing is, these are actually Ford fenders. See the part number right there. So what's going on? I need a big bar on that seatbelt.
What's that?
It needs to be a big bar on that seatbelt or what?
Eat maybe?
That side.
I finally got this off.
Holy!
All right, front clip coming off. Oh, look at the rust.
Like a fender at the front.
Oh, look at all the fucking Bondo they squished in there.
Jesus.
This one's still actually really clean.
That one's been
replaced.
changed.
Yeah.
It's not original.
So we need a fender here. This one is probably savable.
That's
It's always this side that goes, eh?
Yeah. Well, this is the original one because it still has a VIN tag. They just painted over it.
This is not even a Ford one.
Hey, I think the door hinge area is better than Jake's car.
Let's see, Jake.
Band-Aid?
And then,
How are those corporate hands doing, Jake?
hey now,
Yeah, we.
I work on the weekends.
Pictures of that.
Weekend warrior.
Chris,
Ah,
solid.
solid?
Well, actually, yeah.
Nice.
I would probably clean up with
What's
sandblaster.
going on here though?
Oh, they might have broke the windshield. Is that an original car light?
I don't think
No,
that's factory goo.
No, it's not.
Good, some stuff. Okay, not bad. We do have some lovely punk
Minor
down here.
perforation.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh wow. This is all Bondo. And a rocker here.
Yeah.
All fiberglass.
So it's not really an issue, but.
To be honest, I don't think it's as bad as I thought it would be. You are so sunburnt. I think it's savable. It was now or the car would have died, I think.